Bike riding has taken off in the city of Chicago. Every day, thousands of riders, commuters, tourists, and recreational cyclists hit the streets on two wheels. Many choose Divvy bikes, Chicago's most popular bike sharing system. But whether you're pedaling a Divvy or your own road bike, sharing the road in the city comes with serious risks. Chicago has made great strides in bike infrastructure with over 400 miles of bikeways and protected bike lanes on the busy streets like Quincy, Milwaukee, and Dearborn. But the truth is, even with marked lanes, riding in traffic can be dangerous, especially when drivers aren't paying attention. One of the most common types of accidents we handle at Znaimer & Znaimer is dooring. This happens when someone is in a parked car, opens the door directly into the path of a cyclist. It can send a rider flying, causing head injuries, broken bones, or sometimes even worse. According to the city of Chicago, dooring incidents must be reported, and they happen more often than you may think. Another common crash type is the right hook. That's when a driver makes a right turn across the bike lane without seeing or yielding to a cyclist traveling straight. Even when the bike lane is clearly marked, a driver may not see the biker in the bike lane because the biker is in the blind spot, or the driver is distracting, leading this to a crash. Visibility is a major issue. Trucks, rideshare vehicles, and buses have large blind spots. A cyclist waiting at the light may be completely invisible to a driver preparing to turn. That's why it's critical to ride defensively and understand the risks. So, what can you do to stay safe? Here are a few key tips. Always wear a helmet. It's your best protection in a crash. Use hand signals to communicate turns and lane changes. Be visible. Wear bright colors, especially at night, and equip your bike with lights. Obey traffic laws. A cyclist in Chicago must follow the same rules as cars. That includes stopping at red lights and stop signs. Stay out of door zone. Ride at least 3 feet away from parked cars when possible. And last but not least, don't pass on the right. That's where those right hooks happen. Chicago's municipal code includes important protections for cyclists. Section 952 of the code gives bicyclists the legal right to ride on most streets and requires motorists to maintain at least 3 feet of clearance when passing. Section 980035 specifically prohibits opening a car door on the traffic side unless it is safe to do so. Violating these laws isn't just illegal, it's dangerous. And when those violations cause injury, injured cyclists have the right to pursue compensation. At our firm, we've represented cyclists injured by careless drivers, reckless dooring, unsafe road conditions, and even city-owned vehicles. We understand the unique challenges of bike injury cases. Insurance companies often try to blame the cyclist or minimize the damage. We don't let them. You need a lawyer who knows the rules of a road, who understands bike culture, and who wouldn't let insurance companies push you around. We investigate the crash, gather evidence like street camera footage and witness statements, and fight for full compensation, which includes medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and long-term care if needed. Biking should be safe. It should be encouraged. Chicago is a better city when more people bike. But if you're hurt, you shouldn't have to deal with the aftermath alone. We're more than personal injury lawyers. We're advocates for safe streets and cyclist rights. Stay safe out there, and if the worst happens, we're here to help. If you or someone you love has been injured while riding a bike in Chicago, call us. The consultation is free, and we don't get paid unless we win your case.